In this video, you'll learn how to clear your cache for Expedia when you're using a web browser. We'll go step by step. I'll explain what each step actually does, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself anytime you run into issues with the site. Let's start with what we're trying to fix. If Expedia is acting strangely in your browser, maybe pages aren't loading correctly, prices don't update, buttons don't respond, or the layout looks broken, that's often caused by outdated cached files. Your browser saves copies of images and other files from websites to load them faster the next time you visit. That's helpful most of the time, but if those saved files become old or corrupted, they can conflict with the latest version of the site. Clearing the cache forces your browser to grab fresh files from Expedia, which can resolve a lot of these glitches. Today, I'll show you how to do this using your browser's built-in settings. Even though different browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox might look slightly different, the overall path is very similar, so you can follow along no matter which one you use. First, open your browser settings. You'll usually find this by looking for a menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. It might look like three dots, three lines, or say something like menu or settings. Click that, then look for an option labeled settings, preferences, or options. Go ahead and open that. This is where you control how your browser behaves, including history, privacy, and site data like your cache. Next, within the settings, look for the section called privacy and security. This is the area that manages what data your browser stores and how it protects your information online. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll a bit or click on a tab or category named privacy, security, or something similar. Once you've found privacy and security, click on it to open the related options. Inside the privacy and security section, look for clear browsing data. This is the tool that lets you remove stored information like history, cookies, and cached files. Go ahead and click on clear browsing data. A new window or panel will open with different types of data you can choose to remove. Here is the important part. You'll see several checkboxes for different kinds of data. For what we're doing right now, we're focusing only on the cache. Find the option that says cached images and files. Make sure this box is checked. This tells your browser to delete the stored images and other files it has saved from sites like Expedia. If you see other boxes like browsing history or cookies, you can leave those unchecked if you only want to refresh the site's files without signing out or removing your history. That way, you're just giving Expedia a clean slate without affecting everything else. Once cached images and files is selected, you're ready for the final step. Click the button labeled Clear Data. The name might be slightly different depending on your browser, but it will be something very close to that. Your browser will take a few seconds to remove the cached files. When it's done, close the Settings tab, then go back to Expedia and reload the page. After clearing the cache, Expedia should load fresh content from the server, which often fixes display issues, loading problems, and other odd behavior. You can repeat these steps anytime the site feels glitchy or out of date, and the process will be the same.